The ultimate guide to fries. A journey from potato to plate. Fries are one of the most beloved comfort foods worldwide, universally adored in their crispy, golden forms. Whether they're served thin, thick, seasoned, or drenched in sauce, fries hold a special place in many culinary traditions. This guide explores every aspect of fries, from their origins to how they are made and enjoyed globally, covering everything from the perfect potato to their place in business, marketing, and fast food culture. The origins of fries. From potatoes to modern-day favorites, the origin of fries is often debated between Belgium and France, with both claiming to be the birthplace of this crispy delight. Most historians agree that fries were likely first created in Belgium in the late 17th century. The story goes that locals, who had been frying small fish for years, began slicing potatoes and frying them when the river froze over and fish were unavailable. The French also claim fries as their invention, with the dish becoming a staple on the streets of Paris. While the exact origins may remain a mystery, the global popularity of fries is undeniable. Selecting the best potatoes for fries. The choice of potato plays a crucial role in making fries. The ideal potato for frying is one that has a high starch content, which contributes to a crispy exterior and fluffy interior. Russet potatoes, also known as Idaho potatoes in the US, are typically considered the best for fries due to their high starch and low moisture content. Other potato varieties, like Yukon Gold, can also be used for fries, but they yield a slightly different texture and flavor. The goal is to find a potato that, when fried, creates that perfect balance of crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. From potatoes to fries in the supermarket. In modern times, the journey from potato to fry has become far more industrialized. Supermarkets offer a wide range of pre-packaged fries, which come in various cuts and styles, from crinkle cut to shoestring fries. These frozen fries undergo a two-step process before they hit the shelves. Processing. Potatoes are washed, peeled, sometimes, and cut into the desired shapes. They are then partially fried or blanched in hot oil to preserve their freshness and color. Freezing. After processing, the fries are flash frozen to lock in their texture and flavor, making them convenient for consumers to cook at home. The business of fries. The global fry industry. The fries industry is a significant player in the global food market. Companies like McDonald's, KFC, and Five Guys have made fries an integral part of their menu offerings. The demand for high-quality frozen fries has also led to the rise of specialized suppliers who work with potato farmers and food manufacturers to ensure consistent supply. Fries business models. The fry industry spans across multiple business models. Fast food chains offer fries as part of their combo meals, while high-end restaurants may serve gourmet variations. Additionally, frozen fry products are sold in supermarkets, where they are often marketed as an easy, cost-effective solution for consumers. Fries marketing. Selling the fry experience. Marketing fries involves emphasizing the experience, their crispy texture, the satisfying crunch, and their ability to pair with so many sauces and toppings. Fast food chains often market fries as part of a complete meal, combining them with burgers, fried chicken, or fish. The success of brands like McDonald's, known for the world-famous fries, highlights how fries are marketed not just as a side dish, but as an experience that customers crave. Fries in culinary culture. A versatile ingredient. Fries are incredibly versatile in the culinary world, taking many forms and flavors across cultures. Belgian fries. Known for being thicker than their French counterparts, Belgian fries are often double fried for an extra crispy texture. They are typically served with a variety of sauces, such as mayonnaise or ketchup. French fries. Thinly sliced and deep fried until golden. These are the classic fries commonly associated with fast food chains. Chips. In the UK and other parts of Europe, fries are called chips, and they are often served with fish as part of the iconic fish and chips dish. Types of fries. Different cuts and styles. Fries come in a wide array of shapes and styles. Thin fries, often referred to as shoestring fries, These are thinly sliced and crispy, with a lighter bite and an addictive crunch. Thick fries, also called steak fries. These have a chunkier texture and provide a satisfying balance of crispness on the outside and fluffiness on the inside. Crinkle cut fries. These have a wavy texture, which adds extra surface area for seasoning and gives them a unique crunch. Curly fries. Seasoned with a mix of spices, curly fries are cut into spiral shapes and offer a flavorful twist on the classic. Sweet potato fries. Made from sweet potatoes, these fries are often crisp on the outside and tender on the inside, with a natural sweetness that pairs well with spicy or tangy dips. How to make the best fries. Making the best fries requires attention to detail. Here's a simple guide to achieving crispy, delicious fries at home. Choose the right potatoes. Russet potatoes are ideal for making fries, though you can experiment with other varieties like Yukon Gold or sweet potatoes. Cut evenly. Slice potatoes into evenly sized sticks to ensure consistent cooking. Soak in water. Soak the cut fries in cold water for at least 30 minutes to remove excess starch, which helps them crisp up. Dry thoroughly. After soaking, dry the fries well with a towel to prevent splattering during frying. Double fry technique. For the crispiest fries, fry them in hot oil, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 4–5 minutes, then remove and let them rest for a few minutes before frying again until golden brown. Season. While the fries are still hot, season them with salt, or try garlic powder, paprika, or other seasonings for added flavor. Fries with sauce. A flavor explosion. Fries can be enjoyed with a variety of sauces, and the combinations are almost endless. Some popular choices include ketchup, the classic choice, tangy and sweet, often a crowd pleaser. Mayonnaise. Especially popular in Europe, mayonnaise offers a creamy and rich complement to the fries' crunch. Garlic aioli. A flavorful garlic mayo that adds a punch of flavor. Cheese sauce. A creamy cheese dip, perfect for pairing with both regular and loaded fries. Chili. Chili fries are a comfort food staple, with hot, savory chili piled on top of crispy fries and often topped with cheese and onions. Spicy fries and sweet fries. A flavor adventure. Spicy fries. Spicy fries are often seasoned with chili powder, cayenne pepper, or hot sauce. Some recipes even include spicy dips like sriracha mayo or jalapeno aioli for an added kick. Sweet potato fries. These are naturally sweeter than regular fries and often pair well with spicy sauces or tangy dips. A sprinkle of cinnamon and sugar can also create a deliciously sweet variation. Fries around the world. A global favorite. Fries are enjoyed in different ways across the globe. Belgium, famous for their twice fried, thick-cut fries, often served with mayo or local sauces. France, known for the classic thin French fries, often served with fine dining dishes or as street food. America, fries are a staple of fast food, from crinkle-cut fries at McDonald's to thick-cut steak fries at upscale restaurants. The Netherlands, known for the patat, thick-cut fries served with an array of sauces like peanut sauce, satay, or mayonnaise. Fries in fast food and restaurants. Fries are an essential part of the fast food experience, often served as the perfect complement to burgers, fried chicken, or fish. Chains like McDonald's have perfected the art of the fry, with millions of servings sold worldwide every day. In fine dining, fries may be elevated with unique seasonings, truffle oil, or artisanal potato varieties. Enjoying fries. A global phenomenon. No matter where you are in the world, fries are enjoyed by people from all walks of life. Whether they're a quick snack, a side dish at a restaurant, or the main event in a comfort food meal, fries unite us all through their crispy goodness. From the streets of Paris to the counters of fast food chains in New York, fries have earned their place as a global food icon. In conclusion, fries are more than just a side dish. They're a global phenomenon, beloved in all their forms and flavors. Whether you're crafting the perfect batch at home or enjoying a serving at your favorite restaurant, There's no denying that fries bring joy to countless people around the world.